Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Monday the 17th of October in the US session. So we're going to start with the S&P as always, and these were the zones of reference that we had today for the S&P. So we said initial resistance on the S&P today was at 36.48 to 36.55, with main resistance at 37.12 to 37.22. We said if we got a sustained break below 36.05 to 36.13, we could see moves lower. So let's go and have a look at the S&P today. Right, so as you can see, we actually got the, we actually traded into the initial resistance at the open. We've got this really strong bullish candle at the open above there. Unfortunately, it didn't really offer us too much of a great opportunity in terms of risk to reward to enter, even on a breakout. So very, very difficult to trade. And when we actually even came back and retested it, we didn't even quite get down into that zone. So I retested this zone. If we'd sort of like come in here and maybe just sort of like tagged this London high, that might have been a really good reversal, but other than that, it's really not offered as much opportunity around that zone. This 36.78 to 36.86 zone has actually worked really well today. We had some reversals here, liquidity grab here, some more reversals here, another one here. So a few opportunities there to get short, but we are in a bit of a chop zone above there. It wasn't something that I was looking at today. So although it has worked well, there wasn't anything for me to actually do. And obviously, yeah, this zone that I was looking for something from didn't really set up. So again, zones have worked quite well, just not really set up the way I would like. Sometimes, as I say in these reports, these zones really do work well, but we do have to show patience to wait for our setups to come in. So maybe if you've if you've got something at this open and that was part of your plan, that would have been really a really good trade. But other than that, not areas that I was really looking to trade from today. So that's the S&P. Let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so these were the zones of reference on the Dow today. We said the initial resistance was at 30, so that's a bit of a typo there, 30,000 to 30,050, with main resistance at 30,400 to 3450. So let's go and have a look at the Dow today. Okay, so as you can see, we actually got a break above the initial resistance at 30,000 to 30,050 even before the market opened, and then we pushed higher into these minor resistance zones. However, the one thing that we did get that we didn't get on the S&P today, we got that pullback into that 30,000 to 30,050 zone. We've got a nice reversal pattern there. So that is probably the trade of the day in the US session. The only one that I can really see that was valid to offer a high probability opportunity. Again, you can see that this 3250 to 3300 zone has acted as nice resistance, and there's a liquidity grab there, and there's a nice reversal there. But nothing that I was looking to really trade from that location today. So the best trade in the US session, the only real trade that I can see from the US session was this trade here on the retest of that 30,000 to 30,050 zone, 30,050 zone on the Dow Jones. Like I say, if you had managed to get something as part of your trade plan on the S&P on the open there on that break above, that would have been valid. But other than that, that was all. So I hope you're finding these reports useful. I hope you had a profitable day's trading, and I will speak to you again soon. Cheers.